everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I have the cutest, smallest little Scentsy haul ever. No, it's not the smallest, but this is probably the smallest box that I have shared and unboxed with you guys, but for good reason. Well, I definitely could have gone a little more hog wild than I actually did, but as you have read from the title of this video, this is actually a clearance section haul. So from time to time, what Scentsy will do is they will revamp the clearance section, and it is so much fun when they do, because you will oftentimes see some body products show up there. You will see some bars show up there, scent circles, warmers. Even while I'm recording this, there's still some of my favorite warmers that are actually in the clearance section right now. And the thing with warmers, you guys, they don't come back. So it's not like scents where like sometimes, you know, throughout the seasons, warmers will come back. When warmers are gone, they're pretty much gone unless they show up in the clearance section or they show up later on during a flash sale of some sort. But like for instance, the olive bucket warmer, it showed up in the clearance section. I want to say it was like 32 bucks. Crazy. And last I checked, it was still there. So if you have had your eye on that one, go. Stop watching this video and go. No, but I did find some things that I needed, some things that hubby definitely needed, and it was so funny. As soon as the clearance section was updated, I always check from time to time anyway, but I started getting a bunch of messages from you guys. You're like, oh my gosh, check this out in the clearance section, and I just love you guys for that. Thank you so much for thinking of me, and more importantly, thinking of Sean. So sweet. I love you guys. But you will see, did I only pick up one? No, I picked up two. I went a little bit crazy on the Blue Grotto body wash for Sean when we knew that it was being discontinued. So, but you can never, I mean, you can't have too much body wash, right? So I did pick up two more of the Blue Grotto. Oh, there's the other one. This is a small box, but they have hidden things well. So I have two of the Blue Grotto body washes for my main squeeze here. He's gonna love this. This is like his favorite scent, pretty much. Between that, well, he's got several. He's like me, but this is definitely one of his favorites for sure. I'm glad that we still have the ability to order it in wax, but I know he really likes it in the body products as well. So he'll be happy to have those as his like backups. So I also grabbed a couple of pods. You guys know how much I love the pods. They are amazing. And so I decided, here's the thing. So I actually just did a video on like my top pod picks. And in that video, I know I was kind of long-winded in that video, but what's new, right? I had also mentioned how like some scents in wax that don't perform very well for you, if you try them in pods, a lot of times they will perform a heck of a lot better. So for me, that particular experience was with Go-Go Mango. Oh, life-changing. Like it really was. So this is kind of the reason why I bring that up, is because this was another incident where the wax did absolutely nothing for me, and I never actually tried it in the pods. So since it popped up in the clearance section, I figured I would give it a try. So I picked up two pod packs of Tropic Tango. And this is just a, if I remember correctly, let's stick my sniffer in it. This is good. This is a definite like citrus scent, but there's some other notes here. There's citrus. There is like a tropical vibe. I want to say, is there like pineapple in this as well? It's definitely like a fruity Tropic Tango. But you do get kind of a fruity tropical kind of vibe from this. So I'll definitely be hanging on to these. I'm definitely not in the mood for any kind of tropical nothing right now, but I feel like I'm definitely going to want to reach for this when I am over all of the heavy bakery, pumpkin, all of those wonderful scents that I am just in the mood for right now. These are going to be amazing for like early next year and into like the spring and summer season. So I'm really glad I have these. So wonderful. I also picked up some scent circles because you can never go wrong with having some scent circles, right? So I've got 3 churros. This one was a late love of mine. Churro Churro, you guys know my story and the love of Churro Churro. Churro Churro by itself, not so great. Like, I really couldn't smell it very well, but when I actually mixed it in wax, it did shine through and it was amazing. So if you do have Churro Churro in your Scentsy club, mix 1 cube to 1 cube Churro Churro and apple butter frosting. It'll blow your mind, but in the scent circles, I'm sure it'll be great. Scent circles don't last a crazy long time, but I don't have super crazy high expectations either. These are actually a little gift for my mom because she loves this scent and it's no longer available. Some scent circles and Fiddle Leaf Fig. So this is really fun. This is one of those like earthy scents that I just love. I feel like fig is a scent that people either love or hate. And I am one of the weirdos that just loves the smell of fig. And I love the Fiddle Leaf Fig scent. So I hope this one does come back. I have a funny feeling it may not, but who knows? And then we've got a Mylar pouch. Thanks a lot, Scentsy. Right now we're getting into the time of year when some places are cooler than others. California, it's not cooling down. We've got more fires now. It's like, yeah, it's never gonna cool down. I'm convinced it's never gonna cool down. But in some places it's cooler. So sometimes you will get your Scentsy packages without these ice packs and your meltables may be melted. But definitely if that happens to you, make sure you contact your consultant because we can take care of that for you. I was gonna say, I didn't think I ordered that many bars. I didn't. I ordered 2, and I ordered 2 of Pristine Waters. This one I really liked. I only ordered 2 because I didn't remember, like, it wasn't like life-changing or anything, but this was a scent of the month if I remember correctly. I want to say Pristine Waters. This one was, yeah, this one's a great bathroom scent. It is, this is definitely an aquatic, and obviously because it's the name of it is Pristine Waters, but you do get that it's a clean aquatic scent, but there is almost like a peppery, woodsy note to this that actually makes it feel like a cologne. It's good though. I do really like this. I'm glad I picked up 2 bars. I will enjoy the 2 bars, but it's like if we were able to add clearance bars into our Scentsy club, like I wouldn't add this, but I will definitely enjoy it for something, just a change of pace, something a little bit fresh and clean and different. So really great bathroom scent, I think. So I grabbed 2 of those. Is that it? That's it. Oh man. That's it. It's still a decent haul. I mean, there's 12 items here, but you guys know I usually go big or go home when it comes to the hauls, but this is something that I definitely wanted to share with you guys, just to keep a heads up and keep an eye out on the clearance section. I definitely like to post on my social media when the clearance section is updated, so make sure that we are connected, whether it be on Instagram or Facebook. Definitely stay connected so that you can stay in the loop when things like this are happening. So always keep an eye on the clearance section for updates. Definitely whenever you're placing an order, check that out. That's a good way to just see if anything new has been added. But it's not looking too sparse right now, so if you haven't had a chance to check it out, definitely either go to my website or go to your consultant's website, check out the specials tab and go to the clearance section and check out what is available because there's a lot of good stuff available. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.